So I got a little story for you. It ain't really much of one. But some good customer service that I got from Weaver Leathercraft. I don't order, I wouldn't say I'd spend a lot of money with Weaver. I spend a fair amount though. In my eyes, I spend a fair amount. Because I don't buy a ton of leather from them. I don't buy a ton of tools. I do buy other miscellaneous supplies and stuff, and every time I purchase from them, it's over $100. So, but this time I bought some miscellaneous supplies, some snaps and rivets and stuff like that that I needed that I was getting kind of short on. And I decided I was going to get a set of stitching chisels, 4mm. Nice looking chisels. I kind of like the idea of this yellow band on them, so you know you're grabbing a 4mm chisel. It doesn't really matter to me that 4mm is about the only size I have. I do have 3mm, but I keep those in a box. I don't use them very often, so I keep them set aside. 4mm is probably my go-to. So I've got those, and I've got those in a couple of different flavors, because they all seem to leave a little bit different haul. Believe it or not. But when I got them, I was looking at them and thought, that's pretty interesting. They look like they're plated. I don't know if it's chrome or nickel. Laser engraved. 4mm Weaver laser engraved on there. It's pretty nice. They're nice chisels. I like them. I haven't really used these a whole lot. A lot of people use them and like them, so figured I'd give them a shot. But when I was looking at them, I grabbed the 4-tine and I said, that looks a little odd. And I looked closer and it says it's 5mm. It's got the yellow band, which is not what the 5mm chisels have. So I knew that was wrong. So I sent them off an email, and this is Friday night before I got, it came in the mail Friday afternoon, and by the time I got back in the house and got settled down to send an email, it was late Friday night, and I sent it off, and didn't really expect to hear anything back until Monday, maybe Monday, probably not until Tuesday. And I got an email Tuesday morning that said, sorry about that. We'll send you off the proper chisel, and you can keep the 5mm one, do what you want with it, and we'll just get that other one out to you. So by the end of the week, this was Tuesday that I got the email, and by the end of the week I had the 4mm chisel in my hand. So I was pretty excited about that. It seems, a lot of times when companies grow and they get big and they start doing business, I'm sure Weaver does business worldwide. And when the companies start growing like that and get that big, sometimes they forget about the little guy. I don't spend a ton of money with them. I might spend $1,500 a year, maybe that much, because I've got other sources that I go through to get a lot of my stuff. I buy a little bit of leather from them. I have other sources that I go through for my leather. I do buy some hardware from them because they do have some hardware that I like. And stuff like that. I don't buy a ton of tools from them because at this stage of my career, I've pretty much got most of the tools that I'm comfortable with. So I'm kind of set that way. Everybody gets what they like. They're comfortable with it. That's the way they go. So I just thought I'd, kind of put that out there. They stand behind their product. So I like that about them. I wanted to let you guys know that they're a stand-up company. And that's always good to know. Sometimes you don't find that all the time. So, y'all stay safe. God bless. Thought I'd let you in on that little tidbit. And, have a great day.